Bye. Don't touch it, Mama. Don't touch it. Yes. It's going. Oh. My baby is going for her vaccination. That's why she's dressed up. Mommy, please don't dirty your clothes, okay? Hmm? Yes, baby. It's there. Yes, I saw it. Blessing, eh? She can talk. Oh my goodness, she talks a lot. Eh? Where are you going to, Mama? It's there. I know. I saw it. Yes, baby. Are you going to take your shots? And she's going with her baby, big sis. Mama, be fast, be fast. She's going with Blessing. I just wanted Favor to go with them, and she agreed to go with them. You know, they always want to go out. Be fast, be fast, be fast. Your dad is almost ready. Okay? You look so pretty. Bye, Mom. Bye. Take care of your sister, okay? Okay. Don't follow. Be careful. Hello guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you slept well. It's morning over here. I don't know what time it is wherever you are watching me from, but it's morning here. So good morning or good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you all. Like, I don't know how to put it, but just bear in mind that I appreciate each and every one of you for taking your time out to watch my videos. You take your time out, like out of your busy schedule. Let's not go there. To watch my own video. Like, I appreciate you. Yes, you that is watching me. You are awesome, you are beautiful, you are wonderfully made, you are great. All right, thank you all so much. So my baby, her dad and Favor just left for her vaccination. Today is her appointment for vaccination. We missed the previous one, so they had to fix another appointment for her. So that's where they went to right now, and I'm left home alone with my two boys, my two armies, my two soldiers. Those two boys. Anyways, I just remembered something, and I thought I should pick up my camera to answer a question I got from one of you. Even though I've answered the question in the comment section, but I was like, let me still, you know, say it in this vlog. Maybe someone else is going through the same thing, and if the person comes across this video, the person might just, you know, probably learn. I don't know. So the question was, how is Blessing talking this way? Like, you guys know that Blessing responds very well. Like, you can almost hear clearly what she's saying. So the person was like asking me, how did we get her to speak so well? So the answer to that question is, for me, I think that the reason why Blessing is speaking so well, like, you can hear some of the things she's saying clearly without even second guessing is because she has older siblings that she always plays with. She, you know, exchanges words with them. She has conversations with them, so to say, not really like a, you know, real conversation, but she's always with her siblings. So I think that is probably why she's speaking so well. She's hearing what they are saying and then trying to say what they said or they say. And I also interact with her as well. So I did with my other babies, not only with Blessing, even right from when they were very tender, like when they were newly born. So I think that is the reason why she can speak so well, and you can clearly hear some of the things she's saying. So if your baby is not speaking so well at that age, because Blessing is a year and 5 months, old now. So if your baby is more than a year and the baby is not speaking so well, it's not something you should be too bothered about, because some babies, they do take time to actually speak, especially when they are the only babies in the house. You know, when I gave birth to Favour, she was obviously my first child, or she's obviously my first child. She had nobody to play around with all the time, except for when we go to church or go to occasions where she sees her fellow, you know, her mates. She kind of run around and play with them, and she didn't really speak much or well with those children at that point, at that time. So when she started talking, she started with daddy. I mean Favour, daddy. They hardly call their mom. So their moms, they always stay at home with, they don't call their names first. It's always their dad. So I think the second word she picked up was water, but she wasn't really saying it exactly how to pronounce water. She was like ata. We used to sing for her with that word ata. Whenever she's thirsty, what you'll be hearing, she will be shouting, going up and down ata. So whenever she starts saying that, we already know that she wants to drink water. But with Blessing, she knew immediately how to say it. If she's thirsty, okay, she started with warat, and then not even that long, she started saying it correctly. Right now, if she's thirsty, she will tell you, mommy. I will answer her and she will say water. That's how she pronounces it right now. So for me, I think it's the fact that she already has older siblings. But if your baby is not speaking so well to your understanding, just know that maybe it's because the baby is the only baby you have for the moment. Like, every baby is different, okay? I don't know how to explain it for you to really understand, but I guess you understand my point. Every baby or every child is different, okay? Don't rush your baby, don't compare your baby to any other baby. Just know that when it is right, when the right time comes, your baby will start speaking or walking, crawling, whatever the case may be, okay? So I just wanted to, you know, address that in case you find yourself in the same situation. Just know that every baby is different. All right, so I'll talk to you guys later. And by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, did you notice anything on this hair? I cut it a little bit more shorter than how my hubby cut it the last time, which I already shared the video with you guys. If you haven't seen the video yet, scroll down to watch where my hubby was cutting my long, many years of natural long hair. Okay, so was it how many days ago? Is it up to 5 days now since I cut it shorter? I can't remember, but yeah, I did. Whenever I'm combing it after my hubby cut the hair, if I'm combing it, the thing is still paining me, giving me a hard time to comb through it. So I was like, no, this is not short enough. I had to do it this time around. I did it by myself. I used the mirror, and I was just grabbing and chopping it off, and I like it lower like this. This is how I wanted him to cut it that day, but we ended up cutting it a little bit higher than it is right now. Let me know what you think. I prefer it lower this way. Right now I can easily comb it with no stress. Okay, that's the important thing for me. Not after cutting the hair, you are still struggling to comb the hair. Like, what is the need for cutting it in the first place? So let me know what you think. A lot of you left a comment on my post on Instagram and here on YouTube, because I shared a picture or pictures of me, and a lot of you said that it fits me, even though it's kind of scattered, a bit scattered, because obviously I'm just waking up from sleep. This is morning, okay? But once I comb it and dab it, it looks so beautiful. If you are not following me on Instagram, head over there to see my pictures. Like, if you want to be seeing pictures or some sneak peeks of what I come up with on a daily basis. All right, so please be sure to follow me on Instagram. Cabbage soup in the making. Ooh, it's already smelling so nice. Like, it smells so good. I'm using a rotisserie chicken. I will bite my tongue today. Roasted chicken, because that's what I'm using. One whole roasted chicken, the small one though, not the bigger ones, those small ones. So I just broke them into little pieces, and yeah, and I also have a cabbage, carrot, what is this one called again? This green one, oh my dear, what? Celery, yeah. Celery stalk. I have tomatoes here. I have green and red bell peppers, and I also have one cucumber here. Yeah, so I also have a recipe on how to make this, so you can check it out if you want to. But that one, I don't think I added cucumber to it. It's just optional. Just use any vegetable of your choice and you're good to go. Soup is ready. And this is what it looks like. This one is for Favor. She's been patiently waiting for this, so I just dished this one out for her. I'm going to allow it to cool down before I call her. Yum, 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 yum. Looks so good. This thing is not really filling though. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with any staple of your choice. Maybe use it as a side dish, but if you're trying to lose weight, I think this is the only way you can enjoy it. I'm sorry. And here is the pot. It doesn't even take time to cook. The only time you have to spend in the kitchen is when cutting up the vegetables, but once done, it doesn't take time to cook. Here is mine. Honestly guys, this thing looks really delicious. I want you to try it. You will like and love it. Let me go and enjoy mine. Bon appetito.
That's it.
Guys, look, Favor said she wants more. If you see how blessing is eating this thing. Honestly, it's so yummy and so tasty. This one is not even a matter of losing weight. Like, you can enjoy it whether you are losing weight or not. It's good for your health. The only person not eating this now is Caleb, because, excuse me, he already had something, so he's the only one not eating it. And here is more for Favor, and she's feeding Blessing as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is mine, almost gone.